I think that Kimberly Clark has done an excellent job of segmenting their target audience and positioning their brand in a way that will cater directly to their target audience, which in this case is millennial moms. They've used the Time to Potty app specifically to target these new moms who are busy and don't have much time. So they can easily gain some tips, some potty timers, and then also have rewards for children to unlock once they've reached a certain level of success in their potty training journeys. They've also done a really great job of partnering with Disney to have some Disney rewards in the app to children in order to make children more excited about the journey as well. So they're really using some utility-driven tactics to better help both parent and child along in the potty training process. And they're doing it in a way that's much more subliminal and not as in your face with pushing products. They're really trying to create a personal connection with the brand, and I think that it's going to give them a lot of success.